English to Tagalog translation by Mommy Tots. In English, good morning. In Tagalog, magandang umaga. In English, good afternoon. In Tagalog, magandang hapon. In English, how are you? In Tagalog, kamusta ka? In English, thank you. In Tagalog, salamat. In English, may I ask a question? In Tagalog, pwede po magtanong? In English, take care. In Tagalog, ingat. In English, goodbye. In Tagalog, paalam. In English, left and right. In Tagalog, Kaliwa at Kanan. In English, how much? In Tagalog, magkano? In English, who are you? In Tagalog, sino ka? In English, what's that? In Tagalog, ano yan? In English, what is your name? In Tagalog, anong pangalan mo? In English, where are you going? In Tagalog, saan ka pupunta? In English, where do you live? In Tagalog, saan ka nakatira? In English, what is this? In Tagalog, ano ito? In English, can I help you? In Tagalog, maaari ba kitang tulungan? In English, how old are you? In Tagalog, ilang taong ka na? In English, what is this? In Tagalog, ano ito?